Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to wrap a present. The things that you're going to need are scissors, some tape, the actual item, and then your wrapping paper. I'll have links in the description for all this below. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab your present here and your wrapping paper. And what I like to do is just lay the wrapping paper out on the back side here and take your present and put the back side facing upward. So once this is on here, you can kind of do your measurements, and the way I like to do it is I like to make sure that the paper will at least cover halfway on the back, and then you can also continuously roll it over and you can find the point where it will actually cover the back side as well. So now that I've got my line here, I can cut my wrapping paper. All right, now we can set the wrapping paper aside. And now we want to get the height on the sides here. So I can rearrange the paper here, and we want it to come halfway up as well. I'll show you where I'm doing this. So with the paper, we want it to come roughly halfway up on the bottom. So I know that side is good, and now I can do the measurement for the top side, and I know that this line right here is my mark. All right, this excess can be set to the side. And now we have exactly what we need to wrap this present. So this should be your back side of the present here. We want to keep all the fold marks and lines on the back side. So we will take your paper, take it halfway, take your tape, and one piece right in the middle. And we'll take the other side, and we'll do the same thing. And in this case, that lines up perfectly. So we will put another piece of tape right in the middle. Perfect. So now, to do the back side, or the bottom, we want to push the sides in until they meet. And then you can kind of put your finger down here. And then you want to pinch these corners so that they stay where they're at, and it gives you that nice look. And then you can do the same thing with the bottom. So you can hold that down, and then you can just run your finger there and there. So once you have the flaps made, you want to take the top side and push it down, and then put a piece of tape where it meets, and then take the bottom side and pull it up towards you, and then do the same thing. All right, now your bottom side is done. Next, we want to do the top, so it's the same exact process. So you can push the sides in till they meet, pinch the tabs, and then push down. Piece of tape here. And then another thing you can do to get a cleaner look is if you want to fold the very tip of this over. That way it doesn't have this cut edge on it. It just looks nicer. And then you can pull this up. And we'll put a piece of tape on that as well. Perfect. Now, your present has been wrapped. You can put whatever tags on it, whatever names or anything like that. You're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.